here today with a fun little episode for you guys, talking about all things mom life. Senna's gonna drive a car. I'm gonna cook. Yes, back to cooking, trying to be healthy. This episode is sponsored by Plated, and I'm real excited to tell you guys more about it, but it's one of the boxes of recipes that comes to your house. I love cooking, hate finding recipes, so it's the perfect thing for me. Talk more about that later, but let's fast forward to about an hour ago when I took off for our walk this afternoon before I came back to the kitchen. All right, I'm gonna stop babbling, let's go. Off on our family walk, our very strange little crew. Our very strange little family is off on a walk to the park right now. But this is our very boring life that includes a miniature pig. What?
Our life is boring.
Oh.
Also, if you say we're boring, no one's gonna watch you because you're putting it in their head that you're boring. Subconsciously, so don't do that. Oh, pro tip.
Rewind, do that again. Here's our exciting, crazy walk to the park. Hello, kitty boy. Rashida was barking up the hill because he gets so excited at the park because there's a bench where all the little kids go and eat food, and so they drop things all over, and it's adorable. So he gets really excited and runs up the hill. So cool, he just runs both animals up there. Ben and I are just gonna casually walk. Oh, hi. We're just gonna casually walk up, huh? So I win the bet. It was a very boring walk. Sorry, Coulter, but we're off to make some food. He's giving me a dirty look right now for saying it's a boring walk. But we're drinking our adult chocolate milks. I'm headed back home and I'm gonna make some food. Chef Chantel time coming up.
AKA we're gonna microwave.
See you in a sec. Okay, we're back from our walk. So I teamed up with Plated for this episode and I'm so excited. For me as a new mom, I love cooking, but it's been really hard, if I'm being honest, to make it out, to find recipes, do things like that. Typically, if I don't have something like Plated that's just delivered and recipes are done, I don't have to think about it. I end up making penne pasta with olive oil or tacos, basically, are my go-tos. So I love that they have over 20 different recipes every week for you to choose from, so there's a lot of variety. This week, I ended up doing the, I'm gonna try to pronounce this right, gochujang grilled cheese. I'm so excited about this. We love grilled cheese. Sesame crusted salmon with lo mein and broccoli is the other one that I got. Of course, a dessert, I did crispy chocolate truffles. Say that 3 times fast. With toasted hazelnut. So we're gonna make the grilled cheese right now. I love that all of their recipes have really fresh ingredients in them. And I forgot to mention I have a code for you guys, Chantel40, for 40% off of your first 4 orders of 3 serving sizes. Senna has decided to come help me cooking. She wasn't having it in the other room with Coulter, so she decided to come help. You gonna help me cook? Yeah? All right. Let's get started. 4 minutes for the first side to grill. I'm gonna share with you a TIL, today I learned. In the recipe it says that mayo doesn't burn the way oil or butter does. Spreading it on the outside of your bread will help your sandwiches crisp to perfection. I've always been using butter to make grilled cheese. Now I'm gonna use mayonnaise. Today we learned. Yay! Easiest cleanup ever, right? All right, my 4 minutes is almost up, about to flip these guys. Okay, and we're all done. Here's the finished product. Senna, thanks for your help. Coulter's grilled cheese and my grilled cheese. Babe, what do you think about it?
I want you to stop filming so I can eat it.
You can take and eat it. We're super excited. Thank you guys again for watching this video. We're off to eat some food. Thanks to Plated for sponsoring this video. And again, put the link down in the description below, but 40% off for you guys for your first 4 meals. You get 3 or more servings. Coulter is clearly enjoying this. Oh wow. You just ate that all in one bite. How was it?
Worth it.
So good?
Really, really good.
10 out of 10, would do it again?
Senna's a better chef than you are.
Love you guys lots, thanks for watching. Highly recommend, love it. Easy, easy peasy, delicious. All right.
What's the sauce in here? It's actually really good.
It's the Korean sauce.
Oh, I'm all in.
All right, off to eat my grilled cheese. Bye. Okay, Senna. Safety first, seatbelts on.
Ready?
You ready to go? We got the hiccups, but we're cruising. Whoa! Her hiccups. Go girl, go! Go girl, go! Go girl, go! Whoa! Yay! Oh, way to go.
Look, oh, no hands.